you're thinking about possibilities to study or do a traineeship abroad during your studies. You have several choices in and outside Europe within different exchange programs and student mobility networks. The best source of information at this point is Studies and Training Abroad page in Oamk's study guide. Let us start from here so that you will be aware of your possibilities, find more information on the topic, and can then act during application periods. Study guide is illustrated with students' own Insta pictures. You may find lots more with hashtag #OAMKabroad. The structure of the study guide is following. On the right hand side, you can find quick links. Via these links, you may familiarize yourself with the Erasmus program or access to Oamk's Exchange Study Destinations database. You also see the persons helping you out in your exchange journey from contact and further information. International Mobility Services and Oamk service team will help you in all the practical matters. In case you have questions, for example, about how to apply for a student exchange or want to know more about practicalities concerning traineeship abroad, please do contact outgoing.students@oamk.fi. If you think about the contents of your exchange studies, course selection, or the best timing for your exchange period, do contact your head of the degree program, training supervisor, tutor teacher, or the academic coordinator. Study guide has been structured thematically. Studying abroad and exchange programs contain information on the exchange programs you may study with abroad. The following section, Double Degrees, present you those destinations where you are able to do another degree on top of your Oamk's degree. Planning your study is a great place to start, especially if you don't have a clear idea or vision where to begin. Prerequisites for a study exchange lists those requirements which you need to meet in order to apply for student exchange. Exchange destinations offered by all UAS contains information on which countries and higher education institutions you can go for an exchange during your Oamk studies. The following next 3 parts are all about traineeships abroad. Practical training periods abroad helps you to understand the different forms of traineeship. Planning your practical training exchange is a recommended place to start in case you wonder where to find placements. Prerequisites for a practical training abroad contains information on the requirements for your traineeship abroad. Application periods and applying has all important application dates for exchange programs and destinations. And in the last section, Funding Your Exchange informs you about different grants for studying abroad. This study guide is for your benefit in order for you to get the best possible starting point for your studies and traineeship abroad. You may always ask for more information from the International Mobility Services and your own study department.